So the next drawing is going to be the indexing guide. Very difficult drawing. These drawings in Unit 3 are much difficult than Unit 2. This one we're going to start off by making one big old circle. The circle is going to be a radius of 2.5, so it's going to be a diameter of 5. So let's go standard IPT, hit create. So our 2D sketch, we're going to do the XY plane, circle. I'm going to start off right on that origin. I'm going to do 5 diameter because the radius is 2.5, times that by 2 to get the diameter. So that gives me a radius of 2.5. Now it's a bunch of little cutouts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit finish sketch, and we're going to extrude this. It is a depth of 1. I'm going to extrude it, flip the direction, depth of 1. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to have all these little cutouts. So here's, I got a cutout here. It's right actually in the, what appears to be like the middle, and it's 0.5, and it is a distance down 1.25 from this part to this part, but it's a distance down, which kind of stinks. It really doesn't give me. So this is 3, so it'd be an inch on both sides. So here I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a rectangle, 2-point rectangle, and I'm going to start. Take a 2-point center. I'm going to start here, and I need a distance because this is the center part. So I know it's gotta be an inch long. So I'm going to tab it over to be 2 inches because again this is the center part. So I'm going to hit 2, and then I'm going to hit tab, and the depth is going to be 0.5. So it's going to be 0.5. Enter. Zoom sends all. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the circular tool. So I'm going to click circular tool, and I'm going to hit my geometry. My geometry is actually going to be the box itself. I'm going to click on the axis. This is the axis point. I'm going to select the center point here. And what that does is it just created a whole bunch of them. Now I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to change this from 6 to 4. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. And now I need to cut that out. So I'm going to extrude them. Make sure you click on each one of them before you do anything. Shoot them to the back. I'm going to cut them. Okay. So that gets me started. Now I gotta do these cutouts on the edge. And the cutout is going to be so these cutouts, you have 4 of them. They're 1.25, which is 1.25 from the center point here to what's not cut out. And that's like that in all directions. So to do that, we're going to hit Start 2D Sketch. We're going to click on the side. We're going to take a rectangle. We got to make sure we change rectangle back to a 2-point. I'm just going to click and drag this rectangle over. I'm going to use my dimension. I'm going to dimension from the center point to this line. I'm going to type in 1.25. Enter. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Drag this over 1.25. Enter. And I'm going to basically do the same thing. I don't think the circular tool, let's give it a try. Let's see if this will work. So the geometry is going to be the geometry. Click your square. Click your axis. Point. I just need 4. Okay. So hit finish sketch. Extrude each one of these boxes. I know they're kind of going all different directions, but I don't think that's going to matter. So we're going to hit OK. Now that your shape looks like mine, we're going to add the 2 circles, and this is pretty easy. You probably could actually turn off this. You could probably actually turn off this video and do these circles yourself, but I'll do it with you as well. So I have 1 circle that's going to go through the whole thing. I'm not going to worry about that yet. I'm going to take care of this circle right here. So it's a diameter of 2.25. So I'm going to start 2D sketch. Click on this view. Again, since we started the origin, it's really nice because that origin pops right up. So it's going to be 2.25. Enter. Hit finish sketch. Extrude that out. That's going to be a depth of 0.75. Hit OK. Let's start a new 2D sketch. Click on the top. Grab your circle. Make a circle, and this diameter is 1.25. 1.25. Hit enter. And hit finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this out. This needs to go to the back, and I'm going to do this distance to all. Hit OK. There's another very difficult part. Hopefully you learned how to use the circular tool on this one. And make sure you save this one as well.